Hello everyone, welcome to SpeakZen. Today's story is called The Honest Taxi Driver. Listen carefully and enjoy the story. It was a sunny Monday morning in Mumbai. People were busy going to work. Cars, buses and motorcycles filled the streets. Raj was a taxi driver. He was 40 years old. He worked every day to support his family. Raj was not rich, but he was honest. Every passenger liked him because he was polite and friendly. One morning, a young woman entered his taxi. She wore a blue dress and carried a black handbag. "Good morning," she said. "Good morning," Raj replied with a smile. "Please take me to the airport." "Sure," Raj said. They started their journey. On the way, they talked a little. The woman said she was traveling to Singapore for an important business meeting. She looked excited but also a little nervous. Soon, they reached the airport. The woman paid the taxi fare. She thanked Raj. Then she quickly got out of the taxi and hurried inside the airport. Raj smiled and drove away. After a few minutes, he heard a strange sound. He looked in the back seat. There was a black handbag. Raj immediately stopped the taxi. "Oh no," he said. "The passenger forgot her bag." He opened the bag carefully to find some identification. Inside the bag were important documents. There was also a passport, and there was a large amount of money. Raj was surprised. He knew the woman would miss her flight without her passport. He looked at the clock. The flight would leave in less than 1 hour. Raj quickly turned his taxi around. He drove back to the airport as fast as he could, while following all traffic rules. At the airport, many people were standing in long lines. Raj looked everywhere. He asked the security guard, "Excuse me, have you seen this woman?" He showed the guard a photo from the passport. The guard pointed toward the check-in area. Raj ran inside. He finally saw the young woman. She was crying. "I lost my handbag," she told the airport staff. "My passport is inside." Raj walked toward her. "Excuse me," he said. "Are you looking for this?" The woman turned around. Her eyes became wide. "My handbag!" She smiled with happiness. "You found it." "Yes," Raj said. "You left it in my taxi." The woman checked inside. Everything was there. Nothing was missing. She could not believe it. She thanked Raj again and again. "You saved my trip," she said. "I don't know how to thank you." She took out some money. "Please accept this reward." Raj smiled politely. "No, thank you. It is your money. I only returned what belongs to you." The woman was surprised. She had never met such an honest person. She asked, "Why didn't you keep the money?" Raj answered, "My father always told me, honesty is more valuable than money. If I keep something that is not mine, I will lose my self-respect." The woman smiled. "You are right." She thanked him one last time. Then she boarded her flight. A few weeks later, Raj was working as usual. Suddenly he received a phone call. It was the same woman. She had returned from Singapore. She wanted to meet him. The next day they met at a small cafe. The woman introduced herself. "My name is Ananya." She was the owner of a successful company. She said, "I never forgot your honesty. My company needs trustworthy people. I want to offer your son a scholarship. And if he wants, he can also work in my company after finishing his studies." Raj could not believe his ears. He became emotional. He thanked Ananya. His son's dream of becoming an engineer finally became possible. Years later, Raj's son graduated from university. He got a good job. Their family's life changed forever. Raj often remembered one simple lesson. Being honest did not make him rich overnight, but honesty brought respect. It brought trust. And finally, it brought wonderful opportunities. Moral of the story: Honesty is always rewarded, money can disappear, but trust lasts forever. Thank you for listening to SpeakZen. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to subscribe for more simple English stories and conversations. See you in the next episode. Until then, keep listening, keep learning, keep speaking English. Goodbye.